Top 20 Billing Specialist Interview Questions and Answers. Preparing for a billing specialist interview requires strong knowledge of finance, accounting, and customer service. These top 20 questions and answers will help you confidently impress your interviewer. 1. What are the primary responsibilities of a billing specialist? A billing specialist is responsible for generating invoices, verifying billing data accuracy, maintaining customer accounts, processing payments, and resolving discrepancies. They ensure timely and accurate billing, communicate with clients to clarify invoice details, and maintain detailed financial records. Additionally, they collaborate with finance and accounting teams to support audits, identify inconsistencies, and uphold compliance with company and regulatory billing policies. Their work ensures smooth financial operations and customer satisfaction. 2. How do you ensure accuracy in billing processes? To ensure accuracy, I verify all data before invoicing by cross-checking purchase orders, contracts, and payments. I use accounting software to minimize human error and maintain consistent documentation standards. I also conduct routine audits to identify discrepancies early. Communication with relevant departments helps ensure that all information is correct. Lastly, I continuously review billing procedures and implement feedback to maintain a high level of accuracy and efficiency. 3. What accounting software are you most comfortable using? I am proficient in using popular accounting software such as QuickBooks, SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics. These systems help streamline billing, track transactions, and manage customer accounts efficiently. My experience with automated tools allows me to reduce manual errors and increase productivity. I also adapt quickly to new platforms and stay updated with software upgrades to ensure I utilize the best features for billing accuracy and efficiency. 4. How do you handle discrepancies in invoices? When a discrepancy arises, I first review all related documentation such as contracts, purchase orders, and previous invoices to identify the issue. I communicate promptly with both the internal department and the client to clarify details. If necessary, I adjust or reissue the invoice after verification. I document the resolution process for record keeping and future reference. This method ensures transparency, accuracy, and strong relationships with clients and colleagues. 5. How do you prioritize your tasks in a fast-paced environment? I prioritize tasks by urgency and impact. For example, I handle time-sensitive billing and payment issues first to ensure deadlines are met. I use tools like task lists or digital planners to organize my daily workload efficiently. I also allocate specific times for data entry, follow-ups, and reconciliations. By maintaining structure and focus, I effectively balance multiple tasks without compromising accuracy or customer satisfaction. 6. How do you maintain confidentiality of billing information? I strictly adhere to company policies and data protection regulations. I limit access to sensitive financial data and ensure all records are stored securely, whether digitally or physically. I also avoid sharing client details through unsecured channels. When handling billing data, I use password-protected systems and follow encryption standards. Upholding confidentiality not only protects the company's interests but also maintains client trust and professional integrity at all times. 7. Describe a time you identified a billing error and how you fixed it. In my previous role, I discovered an overcharge due to a duplicated service entry. I immediately reviewed the supporting documents, confirmed the mistake, and notified my supervisor. I issued a corrected invoice and informed the client transparently. I then recommended implementing a secondary review process for similar cases. This experience taught me the importance of careful verification and proactive communication to maintain credibility and ensure accurate billing operations. 8. How do you handle late payments from clients? I start by sending polite reminders to clients shortly after the payment due date. If there's no response, I follow up with a more formal communication outlining the outstanding balance. I remain professional and empathetic, as late payments can sometimes result from misunderstandings or administrative delays. If necessary, I coordinate with the finance team to escalate the matter. My approach ensures timely recovery while maintaining strong client relationships. 9. What steps do you take before sending out an invoice? Before sending an invoice, I verify that all details such as customer information, purchase order numbers, prices, and taxes are accurate. I review the supporting documentation and confirm service completion or product delivery. I double-check totals and due dates to avoid discrepancies. Once validated, I ensure the invoice format complies with company policies and send it through the appropriate system. This process guarantees both accuracy and timely billing delivery. 10. How do you stay updated on billing regulations and standards? I regularly review updates from financial authorities, attend webinars, and read industry newsletters to stay informed. I also participate in internal training sessions and engage in professional forums to discuss best practices. By keeping myself updated on changes in tax laws, compliance requirements, and billing software, I ensure that my work aligns with current standards and legal obligations, preventing errors and maintaining company compliance. 11. How do you deal with difficult or uncooperative clients regarding billing issues? I maintain professionalism and patience when dealing with difficult clients. I listen carefully to their concerns and clarify misunderstandings using factual data and documentation. My goal is to resolve issues amicably while protecting company interests. I also remain calm under pressure and focus on finding mutually beneficial solutions. Clear communication and empathy help rebuild trust and maintain long-term client relationships despite challenging billing situations. 12. What strategies do you use to reduce billing errors? To reduce billing errors, I rely on detailed checklists, automated validation tools, and regular audits. I cross-check data before invoice generation and ensure consistency across all records. I also encourage open communication between departments to clarify order details early. Continuous training and process reviews further enhance accuracy. By combining technology, organization, and collaboration, I significantly minimize human errors and improve the overall reliability of billing operations. 13. How do you manage multiple accounts simultaneously? I use organized systems like spreadsheets, billing software, and task management tools to track account activities. Each account is categorized by priority, payment status, and due dates. I set reminders for important follow-ups to ensure nothing is missed. Maintaining structured documentation helps me switch between accounts efficiently. My multitasking ability, combined with strong attention to detail, allows me to handle multiple clients without compromising accuracy or deadlines. 14. Describe your experience with financial reporting. In my previous position, I prepared monthly billing summaries, aging reports, and revenue analysis for management. I used data from accounting software to identify trends and payment delays. My reports supported strategic decisions and helped improve cash flow management. I also ensured that reports complied with auditing standards and internal policies. By presenting accurate and clear financial data, I contributed to maintaining transparency and efficiency in financial operations. 15. What would you do if you discovered a pattern of repeated billing mistakes? If I noticed a pattern of repeated billing mistakes, I would investigate to find the root cause, whether it's system-related, procedural, or training-based. I'd document examples and share findings with my supervisor to implement corrective actions. I would also suggest additional staff training or process adjustments. By taking a proactive approach, I ensure that issues are permanently resolved, improving accuracy, efficiency, and overall billing quality within the department. 16. How do you handle tight deadlines? I manage tight deadlines by prioritizing tasks and maintaining focus on critical billing activities first. I use time management techniques like scheduling and batching similar tasks together. I also communicate early with team members if assistance is needed. Staying organized, calm, and efficient allows me to meet deadlines without sacrificing accuracy. My proactive planning ensures all billing operations are completed on time, even under high-pressure situations. 17. How do you verify the accuracy of customer data? I cross-reference customer data from multiple sources, including purchase orders, contracts, and CRM systems. Before processing invoices, I validate names, addresses, and payment terms to ensure accuracy. I regularly update records to reflect any client changes. Verification checks reduce discrepancies and maintain professional credibility. Maintaining up-to-date customer information ensures that billing, reporting, and payment processes run smoothly, minimizing costly errors or delays in financial operations. 18. What metrics do you use to measure billing performance? I monitor metrics such as billing accuracy rate, average invoice processing time, payment collection rate, and error frequency. These indicators reveal efficiency and highlight areas needing improvement. I also analyze aging reports to track outstanding balances and cash flow trends. Regularly evaluating these metrics helps maintain accountability and supports data-driven decisions that enhance productivity, customer satisfaction, and overall billing performance within the finance department. 19. How do you handle customer queries regarding charges they disagree with? I listen carefully to the customer's concern and review all relevant documentation, including service agreements and invoices. I explain the charges clearly and provide supporting evidence. If the error is valid, I immediately correct it and issue an updated invoice. My focus is on maintaining transparency and professionalism, ensuring the customer feels heard and respected while safeguarding the company's financial integrity and reputation during the resolution process. 20. Why do you want to work as a billing specialist for our company? I admire your company's commitment to accuracy, transparency, and customer satisfaction. My background in billing and finance aligns with your organizational goals. I'm eager to contribute by improving billing processes, ensuring data accuracy, and supporting financial growth. I also value your company culture and see this role as an opportunity to grow professionally while adding measurable value to your team's operational and financial success. Mastering these billing specialist interview questions will enhance your confidence and readiness. With preparation and focus, you'll demonstrate your expertise and secure your desired career opportunity.